So because my mom's Apple Pencil second generation for her iPad Pro that I showcased in a video I'll link up here, because the Apple Pencil has finally died completely, as a result my mom ordered an Apple Pencil that is USB-C for her 2020 iPad Pro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate the actual functionality of this in this video because it doesn't typically like it when I demonstrate her stuff in my videos until she sets it up herself. But without further ado, let's go ahead and cut to the unboxing. So right here we have a plastic pull tab, and just like that, we have designed by Apple in California. If you pull this manual out, it just has a whole bunch of regulatory information and all that. Nothing really that special. And now right here we have the actual pencil itself, which just comes off by this wrapper. And right here we can go ahead and take a look at the design, because right here this is not an Apple Pencil that requires chargers. It still has magnetically attached, but charges via USB-C, which makes sense because this is the cheapest Apple Pencil I sell at just $80, and you can even find these at discounts. Like my mom got this at Staples for a pretty good discount. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about this Apple Pencil USB-C unboxing. If you own a USB-C Apple Pencil, please comment down below if you do and what your experiences are with it. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Family, and peace out.